How to fix password must be at least 8 characters long. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. If you have this kind of interface, I am simply opening TikTok and it has the same interface. In this type of interface, what you need to do is type in 8 character words. And within that, you will need to add one letter, one number, and one special character. Special characters are add, exclamatory sign, question mark, or anything, then number. After that, you can press on continue and your password will be logged in. This is how to fix password must be at least 8 characters long. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.